Hello guys, welcome back. I'm gonna break down the trade I took today. The only trade I took, it was a buy on GBPUSD during London session, during my key window. As you guys know, it's nothing complex. It is literally the same approach I'm always having, and this is how trading should be. As you can see, that was the trade. It had a lot more potential, and my top process was to target this liquidity up here. But after the experience I had yesterday, as my trade literally ran a 1 to 5, so I was up 5%, but I didn't close, and my rules are literally to stick at a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I'm just gonna stick to what works for me, and I'm not trying to change things, because that's how you'll never find consistency in the market. So as long as I know that works for me, I'm just gonna follow. So just gonna start a bit from the 1 hour time frame and have a look at it. What I've seen, I mean, I'm trading intraday session with the team as well, so we don't really care that much about what's happening on higher time frame. However, we want to see where we are in the market, and that's how we guide ourselves. Overall, we were in a 4-hour supply zone, had a very big reaction from it. We came back, we broke structure down here. Looking at the 15 minute, we had this overall 15 minute demand zone right here, the one that was already tapped here. The most important thing again here is now this liquidity point here. We call it medium inducement. That's literally something that helps us to get into the trades. We're not gonna take a trade if that's not there. We either see a medium inducement in order for us to take a reversal, or we just gonna follow price through medium inducement on M1. So let's just jump straight away on M1, because that was M15. It's nothing complex, nothing crazy. Trading has to be simple. You guys gotta keep it simple as well, because that's how you find consistency. Yes, so we had Asia sweep. That was one confluence. Then we had a medium inducement. So medium inducement was the one that was the most important, and then we had a sweep of Asia, and then I count that as well because that's key as well. Not always, because I'm not waiting for Asia sweeps all the time, because they are not always happening. However, it was time-based manipulation. Literally, you cannot get it better than this. You can see exactly 8 p.m. UK time, exactly time-based manipulation. That was the strongest sign for us, and that was the reason why we got into this buy, because we literally had everything. Time-based manipulation, big down move, we took all the liquidity, then we pushed back up, we changed character, then we came back, and that's where we had our limits. I placed my limits exactly, what is it, right here. I didn't want to wait until price gets to the 1 minute demand, because that was a bit too refined for me, and as you can see, I would have missed the trade if that would have been my entry. So I rather have a 7 pip stop than missing the trade trying to have a 5 pip stop, and then just targeting a 1 2 3. I didn't even target Asia high. As I'm saying, I'm just trying to stick to what works for me, sticking to 1 2 3. This trade made me 3% on GBPUSD this morning, so I'm very happy with it. However, look at the whole potential, what it had. But this is how we do it. Every single trade has to be the same. There should be no difference. There should be no excuses for you to not close at a 1 2 3. As I literally learned from my mistake yesterday, because that's what I did. I got a bit greedy and I didn't want to close, because the trade that I took yesterday, it was exactly here. This is where I took the buy yesterday from this zone right here. You're not gonna believe me, guys. So this is literally where I took my buy yesterday. I was up 5% up here, and then price just reversed all the way back, and I closed at a 1%. However, we're learning from our mistakes. That's the most important thing, and we're just moving. Always keep pushing, because at the end of the day, guys, if you stick to it, there's no reason for you not to see consistency. That was the breakdown. I hope that helps, and if you have any questions or anything, just join me on my Instagram, Real Hustle Forex. Let's get it.